Add a material. Go to the shader editor. Drag and drop the wood image to the shader editor. Connect the color to base color. Go to the edit. In the preferences, in the add-ons, enable the no triangular add-on. Select the image. Click Ctrl T. Enable the material preview. In edit mode, select all. Click P. Select the buy loose parts. Select this. Click the slash to isolate the object. Select these two faces. Click Ctrl and plus on the numpad. Go to the select. In the select loops, click select boundary loop. Select these vertical edges by clicking shift plus alt plus mouse left click. Right click and select the mark seam. Go to the UV editor. Delete these extra edges. Select all. Click the U. Select the unwrap. In method, change the angle base to conformal. Do this process for every object. All objects are unwrapped. Select all in the object mode. In edit mode, select all. In the UV, select the average islands scale and select the pack islands. Untick to the rotate. Click on the OK. UV unwrapping is completed. Let's do the render in the next tutorial.